friend, Crystal here. Thanks for joining me this week. Tell me, have you heard about branding? I feel like branding is one of those things that as a small business owner, like you find it everywhere and you're hammered with it constantly. Have a brand, branding, branding, branding. It is extremely important, but the reason why I talk about branding is because there's a question that I often get and I hear from business owners that I work with directly, and then of course business owners that I just know and have as friends. And that is sales the only factor you need to look at when deciding whether or not a marketing channel is best fit for your business? So today I want to dive into that a little bit more specifically. Is sales the only thing to look at when you're deciding what marketing efforts you are doing in your business? And the short answer of that is no. Reason why is because you have to develop brand awareness. As small business owners, we're not going to be able to just put a product out there, launch it into, space, or Instagram or TikTok and expect people to just click and start buying and it just take off without any kind of brand awareness or building or, any kind of marketing behind it, right? We're not Nike. We can't launch a new shoe and expect everyone to just know about it, right? Even Nike doesn't do that. So we can't do the same thing, but also we need to be able to be found. As small business owners, having the brand awareness and development and being able to be found is a big deal. So while you might not spend all of your efforts on Reels or TikTok or YouTube or wherever you're spending your time today, you are going to still need to spend your time somewhere so that you can be found. Maybe you have other avenues and things that are set up. So you're like, does social media still make sense? And in some cases it might, because you still want people to find you. You still want to be relevant and be able to be out there. It just means that you don't have to put all of your eggs in that basket. But let me say, first off, that if you have spent so much time building up, say, 10, 15, 20,000 followers on Instagram, but you're feeling a little defeated because you can't figure out how you could possibly add so much video into Instagram to be able to stay relevant on there and to grow like you have in the past, does that mean you should jump ship and abandon it? No, because people are still going to be looking for you. You are still going to show up when you do take an opportunity to post that. So even if you are able to just post a little bit here and there, post some of the videos and things that you're doing, it's still good for your business to be found. Not to mention, it's also one other key thing that when people are typing in on Google, Facebook and Instagram accounts still pull up. So if all of those keywords are there in the right places, linking to your name, then when people are going to search for the best skincare in Phoenix, or they're going to look for the trendiest clothing stores in the Southwest or anything like that, and you've got those same buzzwords in your bios and descriptions and everything on social media, it's still going to pull up on Google. So is sales the be-all end-all of whether or not you should be spending effort in a certain platform? No, but it does decide how much effort you want to put into that platform. So sometimes when people are just posting a few times here and there, it's just to maintain the appearances. It's to maintain the account. It's to try to keep things somewhat relevant to what's going on that particular platform, but it's not where you're spending all of your time marketing. So don't feel like just because that platform seems to not be 100% successful in every single thing, but at some point you were getting a lot of sales from it, hey, it's still there. So maintain it. If you're blasting away over on TikTok and you're making all these videos and you're getting tons of people to follow you over there and buy your products, fantastic. The great thing about it is you can repurpose content. I feel like I need to tell everybody that because some business owners still don't believe that it's okay to repurpose your content. Take the content, don't do it with the watermark with TikTok on it, but take that content, take that video, take that caption and go over to Instagram and post it. And maybe you just do that 2 or 3 times here or there throughout the month just to keep that account relevant, just so that people who are over there only and are following you can still see you, still be reminded of your business, reminded of what you have to offer, and still leave that channel open. There's no sense in jumping ship just because you feel like you're not getting all of your sales from that platform anymore. So that's all I'm gonna say on it. That's my opinion. Every other marketer might have a different opinion, but let me know. Leave a comment below, like, comment, subscribe. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you again soon.